afternoon. I mean, good morning.
Good morning.
How was your English quiz?
Miss, we
Today,
didn't have
we didn't
English.
have
You didn't have English quiz? When is it?
I think next week.
So you mean tomorrow will be your first test?
yes.
Good luck, girls. So I told you that today I'm not teaching you anything. I'm just revising what is there for tomorrow's test, right?
Yes.
We have 3 lessons. That is lesson number 2, 3, and 4. Today I'm gonna again do with you. Let us start from subtracting integers. We'll go subtract and then we'll do the addition and then we'll do the understand rational numbers. Okay?
Yeah.
Girls, everyone, you have your workbook. Are you all doing? I have seen that workbook. Are you all practicing at home in the workbook?
Yes.
I have seen you have direct questions and I really liked it. It's helpful. They have direct questions there. Okay, just see that. Is this your workbook? Just see in your. Is this the same page of your workbook, page 7? Check.
Yes.
Same numbers and everything because I'm not sure.
Yes.
Page 7. Okay. So all of the others, please.
Miss, can I go bring the book, please?
What?
Can I go bring the
What, dear?
I want to go bring the book.
Not like that. Okay, you go and bring the book. Girls, main thing is that we need to know the concept, right? You need to know the concept. How is it? How do you solve it?
Page what?
7. The workbook.
Seven girls in the workbook. Quickly, I will try to do the 3 of the lessons today so that only the important things better. Others, you have your book?
Yes.
Okay, let us start. Of course, number line question won't be there. They're confusing, and other than that, we don't have. Now here, you know that first of all, it is going -3.
Yes.
Oh, I am
We're
going.
-6.
Better I use my.
I'm so sorry that I'm late, but the website was not letting me in.
I don't know what happened today. It's come. Yani, you all are late. Girls, I think it's Teachers' Day today, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Anyways, I wish I was in the school. I mean, with you all. Okay, here. First thing, it is -3, and then it goes again more.
-6.
It goes more again of -3, right? First it goes -3, and then again it goes -3. So your answer is, of course, -6, but we don't have to write the answer here. They did not ask you. Now this question, still if you don't understand, girls, stop me because you need to know the basic. 7 minus and minus plus, minus and minus, what is it?
Plus.
Minus. So it's 4 units from 7. You are moving 2 units. So it's 7 plus 4, right? It becomes
Yes.
7 plus 4 if I'm not wrong. So it's 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yes.
What will you get? Which direction? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Wait a second here. 7. See, 7 plus 4. So what is the answer? What is your answer? 11. It is positive direction. It is? It is positive direction, okay? Now coming to this question, how am I going to solve it? I'll write -8. How about minus minus? What it becomes?
Plus.
And minus, it becomes
Plus.
plus 3. Who's that writing in the...
Confused again.
Who's
I'm
confused?
confused.
See here.
Me.
Minus 8, Majduleen. Minus and minus, what did I
Yeah.
teach you? Minus and minus, what did I teach you? Let's write down
Minus and minus.
minus and minus, it's plus.
Plus.
I write plus 3. Now solve it. Now you can easily solve it. Opposite sign, you will minus.
I mean the first one. With the line. This one.
Which question, my dear? Tell me the question number.
Number 1.
Number 1, don't worry, girls. It's just that you go minus 1, 2, you go like this. Number line questions are not there tomorrow, but I will explain you. 1, 2, 3. How much did you go? Minus 3 first. And then again, 1, 2, 3. You go minus 3. So your answer is minus 6. Minus and minus, you will plus it. You will get minus 6. They did not ask you the answer. They just asked you the expression. How about question 3? Is this clear to everyone? Zishan.
Yes.
See, tomorrow, if any number they ask you, minus 3, minus 4. What are you going to do, Zishan? You'll write minus 3. You will have a rough paper. You write minus 3. Minus and minus, what is it, Zishan? Minus into minus.
Yes.
Plus, you'll write plus 3, plus 4. Now, opposite sign, minus it. 4 minus 3, 1. Write the value of the bigger number. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Understood, or you want me to explain once again? There is one such kind of question, it will be asked, definitely.
Miss, explain.
Who's this? Dana. Dana, listen to me. Any number tomorrow they will give you. Maybe they will give you big number. Minus 12. Okay. Then minus and then bracket opens. They give you minus 4. Imagine this. See, Dana. How are you?
Yeah.
solving? You'll just write it on your paper. You have your solving minus 12. Then minus into minus.
Plus.
Into minus.
Plus.
Plus. Opposite sign. No, they're same sign. Minus into minus plus. Now, Dada, how do you solve this? 12 and 4. Am I minus or plus?
Minus.
Yeah, opposite sign. So it's 8. Sign of the bigger number, minus 8. Do you understand now?
Yes.
Okay. Try to solve it, okay? Did you copy this first, second, third? I've done with you.
Yes.
Okay, now I'll do.
No.
Why didn't you do it, dear? Anyways,
It's because I entered late.
no problem, no problem. I will show you at the last, then you can write it. Girls. If I get time, I'll get back to these questions. I want to come back to these questions because here it will come tomorrow direct questions like 10, 11, 12.
Is that page?
To the word problems after that. I'll come back to word problems after that. Till now, first let us solve this. 63 minus 93, girls. 63 minus 93. What is it? It is 30. Which sign I'm putting? Yes, Dana. I'm sorry, girls. I'm not, I cannot read the chats. Mirar also. What I am doing, find the difference. 63 and 93. One is positive, the other is negative. I will minus or plus, I will minus it. My answer is? My answer.
Sure.
What is the
I
sign?
did not understand.
Who's that?
Me. Done.
Dana, listen. One is minus, the other is plus. What is the rule?
Minus.
Yes, you will minus it. When you minus 93 and 63, you will have a paper. You will write like this. You will minus it. You will get 30. What sign should I put here, Dana? Positive or negative? Sign of the bigger number. What is the sign of the bigger number?
Positive.
Ya Allah, ya Dana. Dana, 63 is big or 93 is big?
93.
What is next to 93?
Negative.
So
Minus.
why? Don't get confused. Don't panic, my sweetie. Please, okay? Relax. If you think I don't know, you can never do it.
I'm just so scared. I think
Don't
I'm
get
gonna
scared.
fail.
No. Don't get scared, Dana. I'm there with you tomorrow, okay? See, Dana, next question I'll solve with you. 4 and 5. Is this same sign or opposite sign?
Same.
Dana, same sign. Same sign.
Same.
What did I teach you?
Plus.
Plus.
Very good.
Miss,
Come
can you
on.
ask me questions?
When you plus, what do you get? When you plus, what do you get?
9.
9. Sign of the bigger number. Come on.
Minus 9.
Only 3 things asked to yourselves, Dana. First question, is it opposite sign or same sign? Opposite sign, you will minus. Same sign, you will plus. Second question, write the value of the bigger number. Can't you do this?
Yes.
At least this type of questions are very easy. This 2 type of questions. Yeah, this one is
Miss,
complicated, but again, this I taught you. Minus 156. Copy the same number in your
how
paper.
did you get minus 9? How did you
What?
get minus 9? How did you get minus 9?
Ajduleen, when you see the same sign, what is the rule?
We put plus.
You plus it. Don't put plus. Don't put plus. You plus it. When you plus 5,
Oh, we
what
plus
do you
it.
get? Don't put plus.
9.
When will you put plus? When you have brackets like this. You have 9. Sign of the bigger number. Now, why did I put plus here? Because you have bracket. Understood? Minus 156.
Yes, yes.
Minus plus 45. Now solve it. Now, Majduleen, is it same sign or opposite sign?
Opposite sign.
What am I going to do?
Minus.
1, 1, and 1. 111. I will write the answer as 111. Tell me the sign now, Majduleen.
Minus.
Good. Understood now?
Yes.
Sure? Dana.
Yes, I'm sure.
Dana, you got it? Simple, girls. There are 3 things. One is plus 2, minus 5. What is the answer? Yes, Dana, tell me quickly. What is the answer? 2 minus 5.
Me?
Yes, Dana, tell me by yourself. I will not help you. Plus 2 minus 5. What is the answer?
Minus.
Very good.
Minus 3.
Very good. Simple. See? You minus it. You got 3. Then sign of the bigger number. That's it. If you see minus 8, minus 3, what are you doing here?
Plus.
What is the, Majduleen, what is the answer this one? Tell me.
This one. 11.
Okay. Only 11?
Minus 11.
Good. See, you got it now. Simple. Again, if I give you, now this is little bit complicated. This one, you have minus 1, minus of minus 7. This one is little complicated. Minus 1 plus 7. This will be plus 6. Or if you have plus 2, minus of plus 3. So plus 2, minus and plus, it is minus. Now you have 1 sign of the bigger number. This way. Please let me know if you don't understand now.
Yes, I don't understand 14.
14?
Yes.
14, I'm not going to ask you. I will solve with you later if you want, but these things I'm not going to. Swart's best goal. Okay, I will do it with you. Swart's best goal score is 4 because maybe you have one question like this. Goal score is 4, under par or minus 4. When they say under par, that means minus 4. Under means it's minus 4. Okay. Now.
Okay.
He wants to beat the score by 3 strokes. With 1 hole remaining, Swart is 5 under or minus 5. What must his be score on the last hole to beat his best score? Okay. Well, this you have to multiply also, girls. Leave this question. Others will get confused. I will solve with you. Judy, you want this question, right? I will solve
Yes.
this kind of question with you. But if it is this one, you need to multiply also.
Okay.
Okay, leave this question here. Because this is high order thinking. But don't worry, I will solve with you.
I got confused.
In which question here?
11 again.
11 again? 11?
Yes.
Majdulin, see here. I don't know why I cannot use my pen. Yeah. See, Majdulin, simple. If you have minus 4 minus of minus 2. Write down minus 4. Because it is bracket, you will minus, you will write here plus. Because it is bracket, you will multiply the signs and write here plus. And then this you are going to solve it. Opposite sign.
Okay.
Okay.
This is the formula. When you
Now
have
you
bracket,
will understand,
you
inshallah.
put plus.
Now you will understand,
Yes.
inshallah. Okay. Wait a minute. Let me do clear all drawing. Did you all? I think you have written.
Miss,
Huh?
I have a question.
Ask me, my dear.
Number 11, and there is like parenthesis, like minus 156, then minus, then parenthesis, then again minus, then 45 parenthesis. So the minus in the parenthesis and the minus after 156, what do I do with them?
You mean this question? Number 11?
Yes.
See. You just write down the first number as it is. I wrote minus 156. Because it's a bracket here, minus and minus, what is it? When you multiply minus and minus, because this is a bracket here.
Plus.
I'll just write plus. Now my rule, opposite sign, subtract it. I got 1, 1, 1. Put the sign of the bigger value. That's it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Welcome. The other questions, quickly I'm going to solve with you. Quickly I will do it. Because maybe if there is one or the other question coming later on. Dana, you told me you did not write this. Please write this.
Okay.
Page what?
Page 7 in the workbook. What I solved, because she came late, she told me she did not do it. Finish?
Yes, I'm done.
Okay.
No, Miss. Wait.
See here, girls. Hank is working in a silver mine 10 feet below the surface. When it is 10 feet below, that means it is minus 10.
Minus.
He descend. I told you the word descend is also, that means goes down. That means minus 57. How many feet does Hank descend? So that's why I'm subtracting it. -5. Girls, such tough questions I'm not giving, but it is my duty that I discuss with you. That's why I'm doing it. Okay, -57 minus of -10, I get -47. Now, girls, when they give you such question here, maybe they are giving you word problem. Okay, it's in word problem. Maybe this question is given in some other way. But they have clearly given you here 10 minus of -3. Yes, Dana, tell me. 10 minus of minus, what is it? Because it's a bracket. Minus and minus, what will you write?
Plus.
Yeah, what is your answer? 13. Okay?
13. Yes.
Now, Noora got the answer as 7 and Veera got it 13. Who's correct, Noora or Veera?
Vera.
Yeah, because Noora, how did she do? She just subtracted. Instead of adding it, what did she do? She wrote here 10 minus -3 and then just she subtracted. Is she correct? No, because she did not turn on the brackets. When you open the bracket, you get it plus 3. That is 30. Okay?
Okay.
Now here, an elevator starts at the main floor and goes up 8 floors. When I say goes up 8 floor, it is +8. And then goes back down to 5 floor. So what is 8 minus 5? 3. Sign of the bigger number is plus. It's okay if I don't put the sign. That is understood that this is +3. One is 105. And then you get -27. They ask you to find the difference. When I find the difference between both, I get 130.
Miss, I have a question.
Girls, put a cross on 8. You will get confused. Khalas, put a cross on 8. Don't do that.
Is she
Miss, I
right?
have a question.
Put cross. We are not doing question 8. Ask me.
Miss, if number like number 6, the 10 doesn't have a number. What should I write?
10 doesn't have any number?
Yes.
Like,
I mean 10 doesn't have negative or positive.
like you mean it's 10 plus? You mean this?
Yeah, but the 10 doesn't have like any plus or minus. So
It
what
doesn't
should I
have.
write?
It doesn't have. Where does it have? You just write 10 and then plus minus is minus and finish.
Yeah, but when it doesn't have,
That means
I
it is
just
positive.
leave it. Oh, okay.
That means it is positive.
Okay.
I'm just doing the first one lesson. I have to go to the second lesson also.
Yeah.
Finished, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
This I have solved already with you.
Let's wait out.
Okay. I'll go to the next lesson.
Done.
That is lesson number 3. This is more easy because this is addition. Where is lesson 3?
How many lessons in the exam?
Three lessons you have. But this is the most important thing, girls. The other one is to divide. You remember repeating decimal and terminating decimal?
Yes.
I have only made 2 questions from it. You have total 10 questions. 2 questions or 3 questions from the first lesson. Now here, girls. Better I just give you the... 4 plus -7. It's 7 unit from 4 and in the negative direction. Girls, this is just to fill up. Don't worry. What does that mean? It means 5 unit from -3 and in a positive direction because it's +5. 5 is bigger. Here, see this question. This question is a little bit confusing.
Page what?
The lesson before that. Judy, please tell the page
5.
of the workbook.
Page 5. The workbook 5.
In the workbook, it is page 5. See, girls. Now tell me how I'm going to solve it. I'll write -2. Plus and minus, what is it?
Minus.
Minus.
6. What do I get answer? -8. Correct? They did not
Yeah.
ask you the answer here. They just ask you 6 units from -2. In which direction? Negative direction, because the bigger value is negative. Don't write this. This is just for explanation. Later we'll come to this type of questions. Even number line, girls, leave it now. It's just that we are putting -2 and then -6 and show that it's -8. You can write down these down. The last line you can write down, but don't put the number line right now. We don't have time.
Okay.
Okay?
The number line.
Just write these below what is there in the number line and we'll proceed to the next question, girls. I just have 4 minutes.
Okay, I'm done.
Not done.
Here,
Done.
come down, leave everything and come down here. -32 -7. This one, girls. See this question.
Yes.
Yes. It is.
Janet deducted 5 on Monday and another 6 on Tuesday. Yani deducted means I will have to, when I say deducted, I mean,
Minus.
yeah, -6 and -5. So that's why I got -11. Now here, 32, how will I solve this? 32 plus and minus. What is it, plus and minus? -17.
Minus.
32 minus 17. What is your answer? When I say 32 minus 17. Anyways, they don't ask you the answer. They just ask you 17 units in the negative direction.
In the exam.
The
is
answer
it?
is 15.
Girls, all this is not important. But they didn't ask you. They just ask you 32 units. What is it? What is it? How do you write it? You write it 17 unit in the negative direction. Nothing asked, girls, here. Nothing important here much.
Yes.
Hmm.
Exam, is it like something like ABC or like we
What?
write in the exam? Do we choose or is
Multiple
it
Everything
choice.
is choosing. Everything is choose the correct answer, girls.
much easier?
Hmm. Let me go to.
Can I bring a paper with me so that I
You
can
have to
write?
sit with the paper, girls. How will you sit without paper? You have to solve it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you need,
Yes.
especially the topic 2. This one, understanding rational numbers. You need to solve
Yeah,
it.
Miss, I didn't understand it.
I will show you.
Yes.
Hmm.
Miss, I'll be going to school tomorrow.
Oh.
You will just do in front of me. I'm there to help you out, girls. Don't worry, but please be prepared. I cannot say you the answers, but I can, I'm there, but I cannot say you the answers, of course.
Okay.
Now, lesson 1, 2, that is page number, what is the page number? Page number 3. Page number 3.
Yes.
Work.
Yes, workbook.
You remember how to divide this or no? You forgot?
I know. I know.
You know, everyone?
Miss, I don't remember.
Simple. Jude, wait a minute. I will just quickly do one for you.
Okay.
The time is up. See, like example, 7/9. I'll put a point here, I'll put a 0 here. That is 9 times 8, 72. So 9 times 7 is 63. I get 7 here. Again, I can put a 0. Again, 63. Again 7. I can put a 0. Simple. It goes on, right? That's why my answer is 0.7 and you
line.
dash here. That means this is called a repeating decimal. What is it called?
Repeating this one.
Next. Now this one is not a repeating, or this is repeating, yes. Now 8 over 5 over 8. I just put 5 here. See how I do this. 0.0. 8 times 6, 48. And then I get 2. Again, I put here, and 8 2s are 16. 8 times 5, 40. Now, girls, when I get a 0 in the remainder and I get an answer, this is called which decimal?
Terminating.
Terminating. The word terminating is for 0. They will ask you, this one is terminating or not. Or if they ask you like something, they give you 6.9 and they ask you which decimal is this, you will call this as repeating decimal. Okay? And this terminating decimal. Dana, the one which has a line on the top, this is called repeating decimal. Or maybe they don't give you a line, they give you like this. 0.696969. What is this called?
Repeating.
Repeating decimal. Okay? This is when you get it as 0, you call it as terminating. Just copy the answer, girls. 0.7, 0.45 and try to solve it. 0.05, 0.625. Try to solve it. Now here, the question is, which is the repeating decimal? The one which has a line on that. Or maybe I don't put a line tomorrow. I'll write 0.347, 347, 347 again and again. So that means it is called a repeating decimal.
Okay.
Now see, this is repeating. That means it is rational. This is not repeating. That means it is a not rational. That means I got a remainder 0. That means it is rational. When you get a whole number, or you get some repeating, it is called rational. The rest all are non-rational. Okay?
Okay.
Anything else, girls?
Yes. Number 9.
Yes?
What do we write? Rational or not rational?
Which one?
And page 4, number 9.
Page 4.
Number 9.
9. See here. The first one is rational because it is repeating. Second is not rational because it is not ending. Look at this, not ending at all. So many numbers and you didn't get a 0. And this is rational.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, girls.
Okay.
Good luck. You can message me on WhatsApp if you have some doubt, okay?
Only these lessons.
Huh?
Only these lessons.
Yes, only 3 lessons. Miss Wala have sent you and I have told you. Even in the group, I told you how many lessons are there.
Yeah, miss, there is like the week schedule for the exam.
Okay, girls, I need to go for the other class.